Jabs help against hospitalization.
A real-world study undertaken by Public Health England in 14,019 people infected with the Delta variant B.1.617.2 in England found that vaccination with 2 doses of AstraZeneca and Pfizer offered high protection against hospitalization. Of the 14,019 people infected with the Delta variant, only 166 required hospitalization. The study was undertaken between April 12 and June 4. In the case of AstraZeneca, effectiveness against hospitalization after full vaccination was 92%, while it was 96% in the case of Pfizer. The results have been posted as a preprint. Preprints are yet to be peer-reviewed.
Vaccination effectiveness against hospitalization.
Public Health England had earlier found that despite modest reductions, vaccines remain effective against the Delta variant. It found that in the case of the Delta variant, full vaccination offered good protection against symptomatic disease. Vaccine effectiveness against symptomatic disease was 67% in the case of AstraZeneca and 88% with Pfizer. Effectiveness against hospitalization was high even with 1 dose of AstraZeneca and Pfizer vaccine. In the case of Delta variant, 1 dose of AstraZeneca vaccine offered 71% protection against hospitalization, while 2 doses offered 92% protection. In the case of Pfizer vaccine, the protection against hospitalization was 94% after 1 dose and 96% after 2 doses. These findings indicate very high levels of protection against hospitalization with the Delta variant with 1 or 2 doses of either vaccine, the authors write. Understanding the effectiveness against more severe endpoints, such as hospital admissions, is crucial in evaluating the risk Delta variant poses on the population.
Protection against all symptomatic infections.
1 dose effectiveness against hospitalization with Delta variant of the AstraZeneca vaccine was 71% and 2 doses were 92%. This is reassuring data for India. In order to choose our way forward, I think we should use modeling approaches that lay out different implementation strategies and compare their impact at different stages of the pandemic. Another study posted as a preprint on May 24 found that protection against all symptomatic infections after a single dose of AstraZeneca was only 33.5% against the Delta variant and 51.1% against the Beta B.1.1.7 variant. After the second dose, the protection against all symptomatic infections increased to 59.8% in the case of the Delta variant and 87.9% against the Beta variant. These studies indicate that even if vaccines offer relatively less protection against symptomatic infection, the effectiveness against severe disease that require hospitalization is far higher.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Major General Rajesh Sahai, and I am part and a consultant of UPSC Lounge. We are going to train you. We are going to train you to ensure and assure that you get through the IAS. How are we different from the rest of the people? See, I have a note in front of me. I have crushed this note. It's a 500 rupee note. I open this note and I make it absolutely straight. The wrinkles and the crinks in this note have been removed, right? The value of the note remains. You are the value, and we are going to dig deep into you. Absolutely dig deep. And what does the dig stand for? D is our training is going to be deliberate, inspired, and G, we will make you grow. It is going to be a life-changing experience. I spent 40 years in the army. I have learned the tricks of the trade. I am also a board member of the UPSC. and I have been an examiner of all the CSE papers, so I know what is required. Join us and you shall make it. That is my assurance. Jai Hind.